One city that pops in our head when we talk about Telangana is Hyderabad. It is actually the second Silicon Valley of India after Bangalore. It is such a big IT hub that you can see over 2.68 lakh crore of IT exports has been done only in Hyderabad, and that is why it is called as Cyberabad or High Tech City of India. And you know, here the startup culture, the startup ecosystem is also very good. That means opportunities are provided to innovative minds and innovative ideas here. Now, ma'am, why you are telling us all of this? Why it is so important for us? Because see, in the era of AI and machine learning, what matters the most is your skills. And skills you will get not only inside the classroom, but what you actually do outside the classroom, what you do outside the college. That means the internships, the projects that you work on, and Telangana is exactly that place which is going to provide you all those opportunities, right? Because it is the ocean of opportunities, especially Hyderabad, right? So today we'll be talking about Telangana, but ma'am, you're talking about high-tech city, that means high packages, that means expensive colleges, isn't it? No. So today we'll be talking about those colleges of Telangana which has very good package to offer, but the fees is very low. That means the fees is 1 lakh per year. Isn't it amazing? That means with less input, the output will be very great here. So this is what we want. Return on investment should be very good. And that is what we are going to focus on in today's video. So what we will discuss here, we'll talk about college overview, the area, what is the NIRF ranking, everything about that college. Then eligibility, JEE means or Telangana test you have to give, mode of admission, courses offered, fees and placements here. Now if you see this here, before that, one thing students that you need to do, because after JEE means exam, what is the next step? Ma'am, to get admission, and that's why you are watching this video. Now to stay regular, right, what you need to do is subscribe to the channel and get connected to me so that you don't miss on to any update and important information regarding all these exams, regarding all the updates of JEE mains and other exams, right? For that you need to stay connected, because when you subscribe to the channel, the notification will pop up that some new information is there, and I will be the first one to tell you all those information on this channel. Yes, so stay connected to Diksha Kaushal ma'am, right? So let's see the colleges here. First is CVR College of Engineering, right? Now this college is at Pocharam, which is very near to Hyderabad. It was established in 2000. It is a private college, and here 32 acres is the area, right? If you see almost all the like big, good branches you can see over here, like artificial intelligence, you can see cyber security, computer science and engineering. So all the great opportunity engineerings are here that you can see, right? Good branches you can see over here. Eligibility is 45% in PCM, right? Admission is from JEE means. And Telangana, its own entrance exam, that is TGEA-PCEP, Telangana Engineering, Architecture and Pharmacy common entrance test, right? Fee structure is around 2 lakh per year, but if you see the placements, average is 6 LPA and highest is 72 LPA, which will give you a very good ROI, right? Then next one is Chaitanya Bharti Institute of Technology. Now in Chaitanya Bharti Institute of Technology, that is in Hyderabad itself, it's a very old college, 1979, but it's a private college and 90 acres is the area. Eligibility is 10 plus 2 conducted by Board of Intermediate Education, Government of Andhra Pradesh, with mathematics, physics and chemistry as optional subjects, right? So take care of this eligibility here. Then admission is from JEE main rank or TG, again Telangana test, right? Fees structure is around 1.6 lakh, right? Placement here is very good. Average is only 10 lakh LPA, right? Around 10 lakh. Highest is around 54 LPA, which is again a very good ROI here. So this data is also from official site, and the previous data was also from the official site. So you can rely on this data, right? Now let's talk about the next one, the branches over here. So all branches are same only in every other college, right? Here also you will see almost the same branches, only artificial intelligence is here. Computer science you can see over here, right? Then computer science and engineering is also here, right? So all these things are, you can see the top notch branches here as well. Then you have next is Boka Ranga Raju Institute of Engineering and Technology, which is again a private college, right? Private institute. 1997 it was established, right? It is in Kukkatpalli, right? Then it is 24 acres, right? So area is good enough for you, right? So eligibility, pass an intermediate plus 2 conducted by Board of Intermediate Education, Government of Telangana state or any other examination recognized as equivalent to Telangana, with mathematics, physics and chemistry as the optional subjects, right? Then admission is 70% of the seats are allowed based on, again, Telangana test. From JEE means you cannot get directly, but from JEE means you can get admission in management or in management quota, right? From JEE means you can get admission in management quota, not directly. Directly admissions are 70% are allotted to Telangana state exam itself, right? Then fee structure is around 1.6 lakh. Placements are 6 LPA and highest one is 51 LPA, right? Then let's talk about the branches offered here. Again, computer science and engineering, you can see computer science and business system, you can see artificial intelligence and machine learning, data science. So these are the top branches which are also here, right? Then next is Kakatiya Institute of Technology and Science, which is again in Warangal, right? You will see it is a private, established in 1980. 65 acres is the area here. Eligibility is 45% marks in PCM or biology, as like whatever field you will go to. If biotechnology, then bio is needed here as compulsory subject for a recognized board. Then again, admission is officially through the Telangana board itself, Telangana test only. Fee structure is 1.3 lakh, right? Average package is 5 LPA and highest package is 14 LPA, right? Which is good enough for this much amount of fees, right? Now, here the data is from private side, so the data can fluctuate a little bit, right? Let's talk about the branches here. So these are all the branches that are provided here: computer science engineering, right? Then you have data science here, then you have artificial intelligence and machine learning as well. In networks as well, you have the same thing, right? So these are the top branches. Next is CMR College of Engineering and Technology. Now in this college, what you have, this is a private college. 2002 is the established year, right? This is again in Hyderabad itself. 10 acres is the area here, right? You will see again pass the intermediate examination with mathematics, chemistry and physics, right, as optional, or any other recognized university also will work, which is equivalent to Telangana board, right? So admissions is again Telangana exam, official exam that Telangana takes, but you can see in management quota, you can try if possible, because it is a private institute. So possibility is there that if you can call and ask, you can go there. If your JEE main rank is good, then possibility is obviously there because it's a private institute. But officially it is from Telangana exam only. Fee structure is around 1 lakh, 1.1 lakh, right? Placement is around 6 LPA, highest is 44 LPA, right? Isn't it great? So next is branch is computer science. All the important branches are here. Like top notch branches are here: artificial intelligence, machine learning, then data science, then computer. Basically, these three branches are what students usually look for. So that's why I'm telling you about these three branchings, right? Then you can also look for other branches as well. The data is already shown to you here. Now, this is one of the best colleges of Telangana, that is Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University, one of the best and pretty prestigious college here. It was established in 1965. It's a government college, again in Hyderabad, right? Ranking is 94th, 89 acres is the area. Now 45% aggregate in PCM, right? Again Telangana, from Telangana and Telangana counseling only you can get admission here, right? Approximately in here the chances through JEE means are very less because it's a government college, right? And this whole data is official data itself, right? So you can rely on this data. Fee structure is approximately 1 lakh only, and that is very like in 4 lakh you will be able to do your engineering. What else you need? and the package are really good. Average package is around 7.5 LP, and in top highest package is 30 LP. In just 4 lakh you have to invest. So that is a very good ROI, right? Branches are electrical, and there is civil engineering. You can see computer science and engineering is there. There is electronics and communication engineering, also civil engineering, electrical, electronic engineering, chemical engineering, metallurgical engineering is also there. Then Lord's Institutes of Engineering and Technology. From the name itself, you can see that's a private college, a private institute. 2003 is established here, Hyderabad. 3 lakh, around 7 acres is the area here, right? So eligibility must pass 12 with PCM, physics and math as compulsory, should have one subject, chemistry, bio or biotechnology, whatever field you want to get into according to that, right? 45% is the marks that you need to have in aggregate, right? Then again from Telangana board only, but here this data is from private site itself. So here also you can try, right? From JEE means also little bit chances are there, you can try, but for that you have to try. Officially they have not mentioned this, right? So fee structure is approximately 93,000. So this is little bit doubtful to me because it's a private college, right? So you just need to firstly visit the college as well, or call the college to to actually know that what is the fee structure. So in the private site it was given to be this only, but still you need to visit because this is not from the official site. That is why you need to firstly also little bit up down can be there, right? Average package is 4 LPA, highest package is 12 LPA, right? All the branches are here: CSC, then you have civil engineering, electrical science and humanities, management study, computer science and engineering, information technology is also there, right? So that was about the 7 colleges of Telangana. You let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite one out of all these things that I have told you, and which branch you want to focus on, which branch you are looking for. Are you looking for simple computer science, or artificial intelligence and machine learning, or data science, or civil engineering, machine learning? Whatever you are looking for, let me know in the comment section. Let us see what is your target, and also let me know in the comment section what are the other states that you want me to focus on, so that I can make the top colleges of your state as well. Let me know in the comment section. Till then, bye bye, take care. This is Diksha Kaushal signing off.